y'all, welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. Today we're going to make some homemade pizza, y'all. Simple, easy, quick, and delicious, super budget friendly, all the topics you want. These are the last two of our homemade pizza dough. Super beautiful and delicious, bubbly. I think we're on day 2 or 3, which is what you're supposed to eat it in. Just scoop it up here. Our recipe, the recipe that we use, makes 6 pizzas about this size. And I just cover them in some oil, ball them up, and I put them on a sheet. This sheet fits decent in our fridge, and I cover it in oil. Cover all the balls in oil, cover the pan in oil, so you don't want it to stick. I need flour. For this part, I use all-purpose flour, but for the recipe, I use bread. The recipe is on our channel. You can check it out if you'd like. It's super delicious. I've already stretched my dough out a bit, which usually I don't, but we're gonna get a little on here. Spread it out on the bottom. Sticks a little. And it's already stretching out pretty good. You want to define the edge. In our family, I don't know about y'all, but we love pizza. Pizza, 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 pizza. Tonight we're just doing a simple, classic pepperoni and cheese. We love black olives. Mushrooms ain't bad on there. Some artichokes, I don't mind. Bacon. I mean, there's so endless options. We usually do pretty simple. There's a pizza playlist you can check out on our channel, and we have done a few varieties there, but for the most part we keep it simple, y'all. Simple and budget friendly. We just use tomato sauce. Put that on there. The spoon I usually use is occupied right now, so might be a little heavy on the sauce. Not a big deal. I also like to use the spoon side, the edge, to define that crust a little bit too. Little saucy. Salt it. Then we go in with cheese. Mozzarella. It's cheaper to buy pre-shredded, so that's what I do. I need cheap, y'all. Budget friendly. Sprinkle as much cheese as you want on there. And it's a little small right now. We will stretch it once I get the pepperonis on and that gluten kernel lacks a second. We have a little pizza oven we use, but if it's raining or anything like that, you can do it in your oven on a pizza stone, and it turns out incredible. This is quite a bit of cheese, but that's okay. Going a little heavy-handed today. At this point is a good time to put black olives, but we're just going in with some pepperoni. Very simple. I just like to go around the edge, and then we're going to stretch our dough out a little more. And you can reshape it and stretch it a little bigger. Just carefully grab it. It's easier with the pepperonis, so you don't make a saucy mess. And then you stretch it out a little more and could rearrange. You want to make sure you got your surface floured well, or it's gonna stick like crazy. You want to keep your peel dry, cool, and don't get sauce or grease on there. Wipe it off if you do. But you also don't want a bunch of flour on the bottom of your crust, so I like to wipe it off when it's done, just in case. There's different techniques. This is a pretty good pie here. Round it out a little more. Perfect. I like to do what I call the shimmy test. Well, I'll wipe this excess flour. Shimmy. It moves, so that's good. It's sticking a little here. Let's put a little more down there. Round her out a little. Shimmy's passed. Get all this flour off. And I got my oven preheated to 550 with the pizza stone in there. We're gonna open her up and put it in. Got my stone in there. Plop it on there. Shut her down. Cook it for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. This is very quick. It'll be done in like 6 minutes. Just rotate it every couple minutes. Alright, y'all, we're just going to open her up. Rotate it. Beautiful. Rotate it one direction or the other, about 90 degrees. 2 more minutes. And I just wipe the peel off every time because you got flour and stuff on there. Keep your peel cool. Alright y'all, my timer is done, but we're gonna repeat it, so I'm not gonna turn it off yet. Just check it out. And whichever side's less dark, you want to put towards the back. Got some nice color. We're gonna do another 2 minutes, maybe 1 minute. Just check her out. See how dark and crispy you want her. Alright y'all, I got 40 seconds left. Let's check it out. That looks good. These last couple have been poofing up a lot. And then there's flour on here. I just wipe that off quick. You don't want to burn the cannolis out of your towel. And then I'll just pick this pie up, just kind of really hot. And that pepperoni grease will start going everywhere. I just wipe the bottom off a little bit. If there's any excess chunks of flour, see, you can see there was a bit of flour on there. You don't want to eat that. Just about 6 minutes, y'all. Got some beautiful color. Just get our chopper here. This works amazing. Quick and easy. You don't want to do like these pizza chains where they don't cut your pie right. We just do 8 triangles here. Super greasy. Alright y'all, and here you have it. An incredible pizza pie on this beautiful day. I mean, that looks incredible, doesn't it? Bon appetit, y'all. That crust is gorgeous. It's a little flop today. I don't know why. That's okay. This one's pretty set. Nice bubbles. Doughy. You got a nice, not doughy, but fluffy. Nice fluffy crust. Probably could have been a little more crisp. We'll see what the family thinks, and we can always adjust for the second pie. Serve it with a side of ranch or marinara and you're good to go. Alright y'all, now I stupidly left my peel on top of the hot stove. And now it's warm and I need to cool it off. Alright y'all, it should be good. We're gonna get the flour down, get our last dough out, and I'll need to make some more. Look at those bubbles. I didn't put it back in the fridge, so it's gotten a little more room temp. I'm gonna get all these bits off. Get a little flour on the bottom here. Not too much. And just get the shape round and define that crust. I like to just poke the middle like this so it gets even. Looks gorgeous. Don't want to get her too thin. Sometimes it happens, especially when it's super warm, which I should have put it back in the fridge, but really y'all, I don't got room for it. Alrighty, let's get some sauce down. That last one could have been a little more crisp, but also the oven wasn't as hot it is going to be for the second one. It happens. It is what it is. We got some bubble action in the middle here. Define that crust. Whoops. Some people like to dip their pizza in ranch. Some do marinara. May depend on the pie. Salt. If you do more vegetables, you'll probably need a little more salt. Cheese first, y'all. What? I need to cut that hole a little bigger. A handful of cheese doesn't want to fit too good. So I keep my mozzarella and pepperonis in the freezer just so they're fresh. Get a good bit of cheese on there. We love this pizza crust, this pizza dough. It's so good, y'all. And like I said, it's so simple and easy. You should give it a try. Now we put the pepperonis. Just get this on there so I could stretch the dough. There's a cheeseburger pizza being advertised right now pretty heavily with pickles all over it. Sounds a little crazy, but I mean, it's probably good. I love dill pickles. The sweet ones are kind of not my favorite. If they're dill, it's probably good. Ow. Just a couple more, not too many. Alright, y'all. Shimmy test. Good. This flour's just falling on the counter anyway, and I covered up my sink. Beautiful. Do a little reshape if you want, but I think this should be good. And we're gonna put her in. That oven is super hot. I just wiped my peel off. 2 minutes. All right, y'all, 2 minutes have gone. I'm trying to clean up. See this one? It's kind of rectangular. Lots of flour on there. Wipe it off. 2 more minutes. Beautiful. This side's a little soft. Redo. I think we're on the last 2 minutes. Sorry, y'all, I'm eating a slice of pizza. So good. I might rotate it at 1 minute. All right, y'all, let's check it out. Yeah, I want this corner in the back. And we'll finish that last minute. Y'all, I'm gonna make some, we'll pour up some tea. Oh yeah, here it is, y'all. Beautiful. Let's wipe off the bottom just in case. A little bit. Beautiful pie. More crispy this time. That's awesome. This one's gonna be super delicious. Beautiful cuts, crispy crust. All right, y'all, here you have it. Amazing pizza. Super easy, fun, at home. Give this recipe a try. Let us know what you think. You can do it, y'all. So much cheaper. Look at that. I mean, ooh, so steamy. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, consider giving this video a like, letting us know what you think, and subscribing for more. Peace out, y'all. We appreciate y'all a ton.